Moscow Mule with vodka, oh so plain. Same old taste, always the same. Lime juice fresh, ginger beer, but something's missing, let's be clear. Jamaican Mule, let's mix it right. Dark lumps of base, pure delight. Lime juice fresh, ginger beer, now this mule's got some cheer. Vodka mules, they kinda suck. Try these twists for better luck. Jamaican, Kentucky, mezcal's the way. Bet on mules to make your day. Kentucky mule, bourbon's the key. Lime juice fresh, so tangy. Ginger beer, pour it in. This mule's got a kick within. Mezcal mule with smoky flair. Lime juice fresh, mixed with care. Ginger beer, fill it up. In a copper mug, take us up. Vodka mules, they kinda suck. Try these twists for better luck. Jamaican, Kentucky, mezcal's the way. Bet on mules to make your day.